Are you ready to become a web developer? But you are stuck on the very first step. Today, I am going to show you how to download and install Node.js and NPM on your computer, a process that is essential for every single JavaScript and web developer. This guide will work for both Windows and Mac, and we will have you set up and ready to code in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first way to get to Node.js is the simplest. Just head to the official Node.js websites, that is nodejs.org. This is the official website. You have to click on download. Okay. You will see two options, LTS and current. Okay, here LTS and current. I highly recommend the LTS version, which stands for long-term support because it's the most stable and reliable. Go ahead and click the download button. Here, Windows installer MSI and standalone binary.zip. Okay, you have to download these two files. Okay. Once it is downloaded, open it. Just click next and accept the default settings. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Okay, we have to wait for some time. Okay, now you can just next, accept the terms. Okay, and next. We have to select this. Next, automatically install the necessary tools. Okay, and next and install. Give the permission. Yes. Okay, it will start downloading. Okay, you have seen that it's that easy. Now I will give you a quick warning. This method is simple, but it can sometimes cause permission errors when you try to install packages later on. That's why I'm going to show you the more professional way to install Node.js in the next section. Okay. It's downloading. Okay, our installation is done. We have to click finish and okay. Okay, this is done. We will just close it for now. And for the next section, so if you are on a Windows machine, the easiest way to install NVM is by going to the NVM for Windows GitHub page. I have put a link in the description. Scroll down. Okay, so we have NVM for Windows. Okay, we will go to this link, second link. Okay, I will put this link in the description. You can download from there. Okay, here you will this interface, and here this is the asset section. Okay, here you can see this third file, nvm setup.exe. You have to download this file. Okay, it's downloaded, and then you have to click and install it. Okay, yes, give the permission. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, email address is optional, you can skip that part. Okay, the installation is simple, just you have to click on next. Okay, I have already installed the version. Okay, but I will update it. Okay, our NVM setup is complete and finished. Okay, now that you have NVM, you can finally install Node.js. It's super simple. Just open your command prompt. Okay, you have to open command prompt, or you can also open your terminal and type npm install. Okay, and space $- and LTS. Okay, Okay, installation is complete. You can see this will install the latest long-term support version of Node.js. Once it's done, you can see NVM use this version 22.19.0. Okay, so after installing NVM, okay, here you can see the version 22.19.0. Now to make sure everything work correctly, you have to type node bracket v. Okay, you can hit enter and you will see the version we are currently on 22.19.0. Okay, so this is seeing, so we can see that it's successfully installed. Okay, now you should see a version number appear. Okay, now type npm v. Okay, you can see the version number, that is 10.9.3. Okay, so congratulations, if you can see both the version numbers, you have successfully installed Node.js and npm on your Windows. Okay, if this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Tech Ninja for more simple guides that make tech easy. Leave a comment below with what you want to build with Node.js. Thank you.